when people are gathered in his name, there are things you don't do. There's a way you don't think. There's a way you don't behave. In the house of God, you can't choose not to sing when others are singing. God rejects you immediately. Can't decide that you are not praying when others are praying. In the house of God, everything is done by instruction. That men pray everywhere, lifting up. If you skip that instruction, you're not doing the will of God. You're not in that place. You're not in that company. Anything you do outside what they are doing is rebellion. It can't be spirit. You can't say, I am in the spirit, so I just want to, just allow me, let me just be in the spirit. It's a deadly spirit. It's pride. What you're saying is that what everybody is doing at that time, you are too big for it. You have put yourself on a pedestal. Anywhere you go to worship, if they kneel down, kneel with them. That's the attitude of the spirit. It's an attitude you must embrace.